Hello friends, I'm currently out in Puerto Rico for my buddy's bachelor party. So being a YouTuber, we upload as often as we possibly can, but we're literally filming all the time. A lot of the time we do some pretty epic stuff that never makes it on YouTube. This is a video featuring a bunch of videos that never made it on YouTube but deserve to live on the internet. Like the time I got stuck in an airport for 25 hours to film a video for Mrbeast on the way to Brazil, and I made sense of my time doing an electrical socket prank. If you guys like what we do, please drop a big thumbs up. Praying the entire state of Florida has like 2.5 million views in a week, so you guys are absolute legends for that. Best is yet to come. Probably gonna have a bachelor party vlog at some point, but for now, we're gonna go catch some waves and you're gonna enjoy some A-grade content. What? Is it a sticker?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Same thing just happened to me. No. Or the time I lit my friend's head on fire. I have flammable liquid all over my face.
Yeah, you do.
Yeah.
It's alright.
It's cool.
Am I on fire yet?
Oh, you're on fire.
Yeah, keep it going.
Oh.
Jack.
Your head was on fire, dog! Holy.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Or even the time I caught some of the best skimboarding waves of my entire life in Florida during Hurricane Dorian. Or the time we blew up Alex's car.
Oh, she's going, boys, she's going.
Why? Dude, you guys actually fucked up my car. Like, to the point where there's no f***ing return. This is stupid. Oh, at least this is all good. Nice.
Backfire a little bit. Don't crash pretty loud. Sorry about that, man. We won't be back. We're done for the day.